this is my science project that I did with Gabriel about dyes. And so, yeah, let's begin. So, some background research is, it's safer to use mordant on a dye project so that the dye would stick together on the clothes. And number two, it's better to use cotton to dye clothes because it's better so that it's gonna be stick like the mordants. And natural dyes are better because the colors remains a longer time than the other dyes. And around the world, a lot of stores use these dyes to color their shirts, like what we did, like tie-dye t-shirts. Or now I feel like it's a very famous shirt, and that nowadays everyone uses it. But yeah, and I really like these tie-dye shirts. So our hypothesis was, if we dye the eggs and the dye with different types of mordants, will the color of the eggs change? Some variables and controls. The independent variable was the mordant, because we changed the mordants, and the dependent variable is the egg, because we didn't change anything from what we used as the fabric. And one of the controls is how much dye we use for each. And the procedure was, first we boiled the water and we put the beetroot inside the water and boiled it, and then we strained it and put it in a mason jar. When we did the experiment, we put the dye in 2 bowls. We put 2 teaspoons of salt and in 1 bowl, and 2 teaspoons vinegar in the other bowl, and we chose to put the eggs in 6 hours, so that there would be more time, so that the color would be stronger. And after 6 hours, we took it out and measured the saturation, hue, and brightness. The data table. The sample 1 from day 1 was very dark and brown, and the second sample from the same day, because we did it all in the same day, was light brown. Like the one with salt was a lot darker. So it was sample 1 was vinegar. Sample 2 was salt. So the salt didn't stick too well, so it became like light brown. And then we did another one with metal. It was light brown, but it still was a little dark. But in conclusion, vinegar was the better mordant. So the egg with the vinegar mordant was darker, and the colors appeared way stronger. No errors occurred in our project, but I think because it was a very simple project, and if you read the steps and do it correctly one by one, I think it's very easy to do. And yeah, but because of the situation that we were at quarantine, we didn't have many materials at home, and we couldn't go out and buy it. Because when we thought about it, we were in we couldn't get out of our house, but now we can. But we had already chosen our things, and I think we could have done much better if we had the better materials. But I think, yeah, because of the limited stuff, we had some problems. But in conclusion, we had no errors and everything went well. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you, and yes.